Okay, bigla siya namatay. I can't open it anymore since nga nag-shut down na yung car. So, okay guys, it's the 6th month. So basically, every 6 months, kailangan natin i-drain yung battery up to 10%. So, right now, I believe it's, hindi ko alam kung ilang percent, pero kanina pa ito naka-on. Energy, it's 31%, medyo malayo pa. So ngayon, titry natin pabilisan yung pag-drain ng battery. So in-explain ko sa inyo before, meron tayong tinatawag na state of charge. So ito state of charge is, ito yung nire-retain ng car na battery percentage. So pag kunyari ito, nilagay ko 40 pero 31% na lang, ang mangyayari niyan is automatically gagana yung gas para mahabol niya yung saving, yung sinet mong 40%. So dapat ma-maintain niya yung 40% forever, parang ganon. And with that, gagamit siya ng gas. So, ang aim natin is to drain up to less than 10% daw. Make sure na kita nyo yan. Kita nyo to. This is the engine light. So, ibig sabihin, naka-on lang yung car, pero hindi talaga siya naka-on-on. Or by not stepping on the brakes to turn on the car, ang ginagawa nito is, it is forcing the car to just use the battery and not gas. So, that's what we're trying to do right now. So, lahat naka-on. I don't know kung ano pang pwede kong i-on para mas mapabilis yung pag-drain ng battery. So that aircon. Let's try the coolest or the hottest. Ano sa tingin nyo? I think hottest. Kailan mo natin fan. Wala lang, tip lang. Pagkalaroan na natin. So kailangan full fan or siguro full na lang. Mainit pala. Init pala. Ayan. So, i-cool na lang natin. Highest temperature. And then highest fan, and then i-maximize na natin to. That's one way of how to do this. Another one is to make sure this is on. Inon ko yung ilaw, and then 1 minute na naka-on din lahat ng ilaw. I'm still thinking ano pang pwedeng i-on na may ilaw. Ito pwede, may ilaw to. Maghahanap pa ako around here kung ano ang pwede pa nating kalikutin. Siguro pwede tayo mag-play ng videos just to, you know, get everything rolling. Ano gusto nyo panoorin? So mag-random play lang ako sa YouTube. Kasi gawin na lang natin yung volume para marinig nyo ako. So sige, kunyari news. Ayan, so this one is playing. All the lights are on. So while we're waiting to drain the battery, isang paraan na naiisip ko para mapabilis pa tayo sa pag-consume ng battery is gagamitin natin tong vehicle to load. What is vehicle to load? Ito yung pwede mo kasing gawing power supply si BYD to power up your appliances if ever you're camping, electric fan or whatever. Pwede. So let's try today kasi to be honest, hindi ko pa siya natatry. Try natin siya today kung paano siya gagana. So on lang natin siguro to, I think. And then start the engine to generate exchange. Okay, so I think kailangan isaksak. I don't know. So let's try today para lang mas mapabilis. So without me using anything, it's been 33, 34. It's been 7 minutes and 31% pa rin siya. So ang naisip ko para mas mapadrain pa siya ng mas mabilis is for us to use the vehicle to load. So let's do that now para let's see in 6 minutes walang percentage ng battery ang nauubos. So let's do that now. Totodo ko to and then we'll also use the vehicle to load. And then let's play some YouTube pa rin. Let's play something yeah. Okay. Okay guys, so actually kasama siya sa kit. If you are premium model, meron kang ganito. This is the discharge device, vehicle to load. As you can see, hindi ko pa siya nagagamit, so let's use that now. Let's see. I don't know kung may kasamang ganito sa premium. If I'm in basic model, I don't know if all of the variants of BYD has this. So let me know if yan. So tapan na muna natin to. It came from the store. Yeah. So AC discharge device, let's see how this will work. Ano naman siyang ano. Okay, so let's see. How do we do this? Parang siyang ano talaga, no? So, ikakabit natin siya dito. Aha. And I think ready to use na siya. Oh, yan na, uminom na. So, how do we do this? Nagdala ako ng vacuum cleaner. And let's see if this will work. Okay. Itanggal lang natin to. Okay. So let's try it now. Okay. Let's see if this will work. Okay. So nagdala ko ng vacuum. And then so gumagana siya. So yeah. Pwede mong gawing saksakan ng appliances itong BYD. So it works. See? And then so yeah, so pwede siya gawing saksakan ng appliance. It works just fine. So now let's see if I just continue to turn this on kung gaano kabilis mag-drain yung battery. Yeah. Okay guys, here's an update. So I just tried the vehicle to load and automatically lumabas to. Kakapasok ko lang ng car. And then naging yellowish to. It's draining out battery, it's getting battery out of the car. And ang sabi natin kanina, in 6 minutes hindi gumalaw yung battery. Now, na naka-turn on ang lahat, in 10 minutes, I started 45, ngayon it's 55. Nabawasan na siya agad ng 2%. So, ayan, discharge power, 0.2 kilowatt. So, we're just gonna do this until mag-drain to hanggang less than 10%. So, I'm gonna leave the car then later on. Yeah. Appliance number 2. Sinaksak ko tong induction cooker. Pasensya na, medyo madumi. Hayaan nyo na hindi akin to. Pinulot ko na to literal. Okay, so let's see kung gagana siya. Sandali, paano ba to? Tawang-tawa yan. Ayan na. Gumagana na ata. Ayan na siya guys. So pwede ba magluto if ever you're camping or whatever. So kung ordinary, kwento ko lang na kapag ordinary na naka-on yung car without you stepping on the gas at engine, naka-engine light siya, mainit yung aircon. Pero at this case, since we're using the vehicle to load option, tingnan niyo yung salamin ko. Lumalamig siyang mag-isa. Ganun siya. So, the car is trying to keep itself cool. Kasi nga naman, baka mainitan. So, update tayo. It's after 10 minutes more. No? 10 minutes, 1% down again. Ang layo na narating natin since ginamit natin itong vehicle to load thing. So, we're gonna retain this until talaga maubos. So, dito. After 3 hours of waiting, finally tapos na, 10% na lang yung battery ko. Take note lang na hindi ko na ginamit yung vehicle to load kasi medyo malamok sa area. Ngayon, tinatry kong gawing below 10%. Tingnan natin kung anong mangyayari. Okay, bigla siya namatay. Hindi ko na na-videohan yung sinabi niyang low battery. This will be powered off in a minute. So, this one died. 10% pa siya. So, let's try to see the app. But yeah, basically, I think it's time na to charge. Yeah. I can't turn it on. Ayaw niya na talaga mag-on. So, yeah. I can't open it anymore. It's nga nag-shut down na yung car. So, we'll access through the back. Dapat pala kinuha ko muna yung charger. So, let's just access here. And, ganun pala yung pinalobat, guys. Paano ba ito? Hindi ko makita kasi madilim. Yes, all we need now is to charge it uninterruptedly for until maging 100%, and that's how we do it. Let's just check. Wala sa system. So
Medyo kinabahan na tayo dito dahil hindi na nga nagcha-charge. Kahit na nakasaksak yung charger, ayaw niyang mag-open, ayaw niyang mag-charge. So, kahit, ayan, sa app, hindi rin siya
Okay
nagcha-charge.
guys, 20 minutes ako nag-figure out dito dahil ayaw niya talaga mag-open. Kahit na naka-charge siya. So, nag-search ako through Google if ever this happens to you. Ang ginawa ko lang, after pressing, ang una niya sinabi is press this one twice. Yun yung magpapa-on sa kanya. And hindi siya gumana. So, as you can see, gumana na siya. Naka-on na siya. What I did was press this one twice. So, kung mag-shutdown man yung ano mo, car mo, and walang screen, ayaw mag-power on kahit na nag-charge ka, just press the door handle twice and mag-charge siya. So, as you can see, dahil kaka-on lang natin, tinatry ko rin niya. So, apparently, ang nangyari dito is, pumunta ng safety mode yung car kasi 10% na lang siya. So, I think okay na to. Natakot eh, no? So, I think okay na siya. Let's just shut down the car and then let's just try to charge na. So, ayaw niya mag-charge kasi 0 kilowatt hour ang nakasulat. So, let's just reset the charger. Real quick, tanggalin lang natin. Tingnan natin kung gagana. So, kinabahan ako ng very, very slight. So, ayan na, charging na siya. So, dapat nag-work na siya. Ayan na. Kanina kasi wala to eh. Ayaw gumana. So, ngayon, kanina puro 0 to. So, ngayon, at least meron ng numbers. And let's go to to. And, ayan na. Kanina, di ba, 0. So, at least ngayon, it's 1.9 kilowatt hour ang charging niya. And it's 9 hours charging time. So, iwan na lang natin to. And then, yeah. Yun lang guys for today. Nagising tayo at 3 AM. Dahil, natakot ako ng very light. Yun lang pala ang solusyon. Just double click the door handle and then that's it. Bye guys.